Hello there, nice to see you again. Today we are going to continue the chapter named Game Addiction. Actually, this is a poem written by Junaid Yahya. In the previous video, we studied 4 stanzas of the poem, and today we are going to study these 6 stanzas. So, without wasting time, let's start the proceeding. So, while the boys were busy at it, when the boys were busy at playing games, the thieves rolled the Kashmiri carpet. The thieves broke in the house and they rolled the Kashmiri carpet. They filled the valuables in school bags, stuffed in the clothes and left the tags. Means while the both brothers were busy playing games, the thieves rolled the Kashmiri carpet of their house. They also filled the valuables in school bags, stuffed in the clothes. They also stuffed the bag with clothes and left the tags over there. So next stanza is books, shelves, Superman and AC. They took away whatever they could see. They took away whatever they could see. They took books, shelves, Superman and air conditioner. But after much consideration, they didn't touch the PlayStation. It was very critical that after so much thinking, they didn't touch the PlayStation. It means they knew they were able to steal the things only because of the PlayStation. So they didn't touch the PlayStation. So next stanza is papers report the thieves did wait till the morning when they went to bathe. Had eggs and pasta in breakfast too. Didn't forget to use the loo. The newspapers reported the thieves waited at house till the morning. They also took bath over there. They had their breakfast. They had eggs and pasta in the breakfast. They also used the loo. Loo means they also used the bathroom over there. Means the kids were so much engrossed in playing games, they couldn't know what was happening over there in their house. The next stanza is, and what do you think the brothers had said while the thieves had slept in their bed? Students, this is the question being asked. What do you think the brothers had said while the thieves had slept in their bed? Means when the thieves would have slept in their bed, what they would have said, what the brothers would have said. Oh, wait till we finish our game, please. Then we shall call the police. So it's a very humorous. They must have said that they needed to wait for their game to finish, and after that they would call the police. So the next stanza is, the mother returned after some days and gazed at the apartment all amazed. Their mother came back after some days and gazed at the apartment all amazed. She saw that the house was empty. She was very amazed. She was very much surprised seeing the condition of the room. Seeing her boys glued to the screen, she knew exactly why the loot had been. It means by seeing them, they were still glued to the screen. They were still playing games on the PlayStation. She knew exactly why the loot had been. She came to know the idea that why the loot had been, why the thieves had entered the rooms, why the thieves had broken in. She came to know watching the students, the brothers were still busy on the PlayStation. She carried her sons to the doctor urgently, turning a deaf ear to their endless plea. She took away her sons to the doctor urgently. Without wasting time, she took her sons to the doctor, turning a deaf ear to their endless plea. She didn't listen to their plea, means request. That was continuous plea. They were requesting that they shouldn't be taken to the doctor, but she refused to their plea. She ignored whatsoever they said her. Oh, they said, oh, wait till we finish our game. Mother dear, we have still got the final round to clear. They said, oh, mom, you should wait because we still have to clear the final round, and if we don't complete the final round, again we will have to start the game. So mother, please don't take us to the doctor right now, you can do it later. So it looks very humorous poem, but in reality the poem is not a humorous one. It is a satire. It is a satire on the kids, on the children who are addicted to playing games. They have given so much time to playing games that they can't see that this activity is suffering not only to their study, not only to their daily routine, but also it is causing a lot of problems to their family. So the poem is a satire on the behavior of the students, and the poem is written by Junaid Yahya. Thank you.